How to fix Bitdefender Mobile Security not installing on older versions of Android, v4.0.3 and below, and iOS 10, older than iOS 10. Bitdefender is committed to delivering innovative, effective security solutions to our customers. As technologies and threats evolve, Bitdefender continues to proactively develop and shape its solution set. The resulting new solutions and feature modifications often lead to a need for discontinuing older software revisions as well as products. Bitdefender will refocus staffing and resources on protecting newer versions of Android and iOS. As a result, Bitdefender Mobile Security will no longer issue updates for users of the outdated Android 4.0.3 version, and below, and iOS 10, and below, starting July 10, 2019. The new minimum requirements in terms of operating system will be Android 4.1 or later and iOS 11.2 or later. Current users with unsupported operating systems will still be able to use the app but will no longer receive updates. End of support is scheduled for January 10, 2020.